Doesn't white color
water.
water and he drink tea. I think so.
Acha. Coffee? Doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. So usually what does he drink?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate
Chocolate
he leave it on the side now.
tea. Chocolate milk ही पीता है वो तो.
Chalo. Okay, we'll come back. So, who will tell me that if I have to convert from meter to centimeter, should I multiply or divide?
Meter to centimeter. You will divide. No, multiply.
See, the point is, अगर multiply नहीं है तो divide है, divide नहीं है तो multiply है. So you give one answer and you stick to that, okay?
Multiply.
Okay. Why multiply?
Because when we come out, come like from up we come down, then we multiply, and when we go up, then we divide.
So why are we multiplying when we are coming down the steps, and why are we dividing when we go up the steps? Who will explain that?
Because from a big unit we are going to a small unit, so we will multiply. From a small unit we are going to a big unit, that's why we will divide.
Good point. That is the correct point. When you are going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you have to multiply. Okay. So if you're going to go from kilometer to a meter, or from decameter to a decimeter, you will multiply. Now, who will tell me why do you multiply?
Because a unit is big and you it will be more big.
And we can't.
You just now said when you are moving from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you have to multiply. Give me the logic behind why should you multiply?
Ma'am, because if you divide it, you can't divide it, so you will have to multiply it.
I know I can't divide it, that's why I have to multiply it. But I'm asking, why am I multiplying?
Ma'am, because multiply, ma'am, if we multiply, ma'am, because shift decimal, ma'am, to right, ma'am, so front, ma'am, if we divide, ma'am, so left.
Okay. What is the exact reason for me to multiply? किलोमीटर से मीटर में जाना है, तो I have to multiply. 1 point, yes, I am going down the steps, correct? Yes, are we going down the steps? Yeah, so we will multiply, correct? Okay, Ranveer, pay attention here. If you don't have a pen, please use a pencil. Okay, so because you're going from above top steps to the bottom steps, one rule is yes, we will multiply. The next rule is because you're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you will multiply. ठीक है, वो rule ठीक है, और उसके पीछे logic क्या है?
To keep that rule. Oh.
सुभान,
Yes.
क्या है logic
वही
क्या है?
सोच रहा हूँ मैम.
अच्छा, थोड़ा सा noise करके
मांग
तो भाई, वरना लगता है कि तुम सो गए.
हाँ.
नॉइज करके सोचो. उसको क्या बोलते हैं जब मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है? क्या?
Baba Black Sheep.
I think Baba Black Sheep right now.
Ma'am, you have only said no. कुछ तो बोल फिर कुछ समझेगा.
क्या सुभान? I am telling you to talk around math. You really find this funny that if you say Baba Black Sheep, I will know that you are awake? Really? Not nice.
No.
Oh, that was really not good joke. That was PJ. Poor joke. चलो सुबह ही हुआ है, थोड़ा सा दिमाग पे जोर लगाओ और बताओ.
We can't. Mom.
You can't? Please, I don't like it when someone gives up saying I can't.
No.
हाँ, बोलो रणवीर.
Ma'am, we will have to multiply and then only the number will become big. नहीं तो वो छोटा होते जाएगा, decimal करना पड़ेगा.
You are kind of correct. You are kind of correct. Yes. That is all that I was looking for. मेरे को बस उतना simple सा answer चाहिए था. Okay.
Ma'am, nothing. And
बोलो क्या हुआ? Call. Ma'am क्या हुआ?
my phone is falling down.
So what?
Okay. So first thing, when you're going down the steps. Good morning, Vihan. How are you?
I'm fine.
Arihan. Rihan.
Hi, Bihan. How are you? I'm sorry, I'm late.
That's okay. But you need to
It's
come in earlier. Okay? No coming in so late. Come in earlier. Try every day to make it 5 minutes earlier. Okay? Today, if you logged in at 9 o'clock, tomorrow you should try to make it 8:55. Then day after, you should try to make it 8:50. Okay?
Oh.
All right. So, what is the rule around unit measurements, Vihan? King Henry का क्या rule है?
King Henry died after. Usually doesn't drink chocolate milk.
King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Okay, so cool. So, one thing, when you're going down the steps, you will multiply. Okay. Second thing, when you're moving from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you have to multiply. Why? Because number of units is smaller. What?
You said multiply when you're going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit.
I said multiply when you're going from a larger unit of measurement to a smaller unit of measurement. So when you're going in from meter to centimeter, you will multiply or divide?
Multiply.
When you're going from kilometer to meter, you will multiply or divide?
Multiply.
When you're going from centimeter to decameter, what you will do?
Divide.
When you're going from meter to kilometer, what you will do?
Divide.
When you're going from millimeter to centimeter, what you will do?
Divide. Multiply.
Oi.
Divided by 10.
When you're going from centimeter to decimeter, what you will do?
Divide.
When you're going from decimeter to centimeter, what you will do?
Multiply.
When you're going from decameter to meter, what you will do?
Multiply.
When you're going from meter to kilometer, what you will do?
Divide. It is not multiply, it is multiply.
When you're going from kilometer to decameter, what you will do?
Multiply.
When you're going from decameter to meter, what you will do?
Multiply.
When you're going from centimeter to millimeter, what you will do?
Multiply.
When you're going from decimeter to decameter, what you will do?
Divide.
Wow, that was quick and good. Very nice. When you are going from millimeter to meter, what you will do?
Divide. Divide. Everything divide only.
Decimeter to kilometer, what you will do?
Divide.
Vihan, look here. Vihan, I want you to answer by looking at the screen. Look here, I'm here. Okay. You remember the steps we made last time? Vihan, do you remember the steps we made last time? Were you there in class when we made?
Yes.
Yes. When you are coming down the steps, what will you do? When you're going up the steps, what you will do?
Multiply.
When you're coming down the steps, what should you do?
Multiply.
When you're going up the steps, what you will do?
Divide.
So now I want you also to pay attention and start answering. Okay.
Okay.
Oh dear. Okay, can you all see me? Okay. So Vihan, when you're going from kilometer to meter, what you will do? Kilometer, meter.
Multiply.
Pranav, decameter to decimeter.
Decameter. Ma'am, we will multiply.
Tanishka, centimeter to decameter.
Divide.
Ranveer, millimeter to meter.
Divide.
Subhan, decimeter to kilometer.
Decimeter to kilometer. Divide.
Are we all clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
100% clear with this? No more confusion
Yes,
around
ma'am.
this?
No, ma'am.
We all clearly understand King Henry rule?
Yes.
We all clearly understand when you're coming down the
Yes.
steps, you will multiply.
Yes.
When you're
I
going up
will.
the steps, what you will do?
Divide.
Okay.
Divide.
I'm going to share my screen with you for something. I want you to make a neat table and copy this in the math side of your book.
Tanishka, ma'am is
Ready?
going to share screen.
Ready? Do you all have your book and pencil or paper ready with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. पक्का? Pencil, paper, book जो भी है निकालो. Don't have a pen, no problem. Take a pencil. Okay. Can you see the screen?
I can't see it. Yeah, I can see it. Yes, Tanishka.
Yeah. Can see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I did it. I've done it.
You have done this, Ranveer?
Yes, ma'am. Conversion. I did this.
I know that.
No. Have you written this length, mass, capacity? This table have you written? Not likely.
Yes,
I've not
ma'am.
shown this table in class yet.
Replace meaning and
Okay. All of you make this table. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Okay. On your book, make 5 equal columns. सारे columns को 2 सेंटीमीटर या 3 सेंटीमीटर्स का columns बनाओ. All columns, make them 2 to 3 centimeter length. Subhan, where is your book and pen?
Can I see my hand? Ma'am, in my hand.
Yeah? Your screen is...
Yes.
Subhan, you can see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Now write the heading exactly the same way. Prefix, meaning, length, mass, capacity.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am. Can I bring pencil? Can I bring pencil?
yes. Pen or pencil, any one of it. If you don't have a pen handy, use a pencil. Tanishka, you need to write a little faster. You got to improve your speed of writing. Okay? Don't keep taking so much time just to make a 2 centimeter line.
But can I use margin part?
लग रहा है Tanishka. Keep the line along with the lines on the book. Take 5 minutes, copy this whole table in your book because this table will be something that we will refer to for the next 3 to 4 lectures in our class. Ranveer, pay attention here. Ranveer, pay attention here. Copy this from your screen because for the next few classes, we are absolutely going to use this in our lectures.
Class.
Take your time and copy it. Please do not make mistakes. I would always prefer that you write in pencil so you can erase whenever you make mistakes. Tanishka, start writing. You can draw the lines later, Tanishka. तुम ruled book में लिख रही हो, तो ये lines क्यों चाहिए? Just columns के lines बनाओ, rows के lines क्यों चाहिए? चलो start writing फटाफट. Tanishka, I want you to be the first one to start writing.
Sorry.
Tanishka, Ranveer, sit up straight. See how straight Vihan is sitting and writing? Correct. Sit up straight. Yeah. Sit straight and write. Don't bend over the book. Don't bend over the book. Sit straight and write.
But I've done it. But I forgot now. No, no.
Don't make mistakes while you're copying. Do it correctly because this is the base for our next set of classes. ये
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
हो गया? तो किलोग्राम, डेसीग्राम, लीटर, मिलीलीटर कोई भी आएगा sum. You will just solve it at the tip of your fingers.
Done, ma'am.
Copied fully?
Yes.
Okay. Just check if you've copied it correct.
Okay. Let me.
Check if you have copied it correctly, not made any mistakes. 0.1,
Yes, ma'am.
0.01. Just check everything. Vihan, it's too small for me to check. So you check it with the screen.
Oops.
It's too
Better
small
luck
for me to
next
see
time.
from here. You just cross check if you have written everything correctly, because this is going to be the
I
base.
think everything is correct.
Okay, then we'll wait for everyone else to finish.
Done.
What, Pranav?
Done.
Pranav also written? Just check if you've written everything correctly.
Yeah.
Especially the meaning column, if you all have copied it correctly. Thousands, 100, 10, ones, 0.1, 0.01 and 0.001. Tanishka, are you doing it right? Subhan, have you copied?
Yes.
Have you completed it?
Yes, ma'am.
पूरा कॉपी हो गया?
नहीं मैम थोड़ा बाकी है.
करो करो ठीक से करो. Make sure you're not making any mistakes copying it. This table is going to be very important for us for all the coming lectures. I hope I'll meet you soon next. I'm going to make this on an A4 sheet and give it to you so you can stick it in front of your table or keep it stuck on the last page of your book so it is easy for referring.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Let's wait for everyone to finish. Let's wait for everyone to finish. Some are fast, some are slow. We need to give time for everyone. Vihan Saxena, you just joined the class a little while ago. You're yawning. What man? Hey, what man? Go wash your face and come, Vihan. Go wash your face and come. Wash your eyes. Pour some cold water in your eyes and drink water and come back. This is your break, Vihan. You're going on a small break. Finish that break and come back. Pranav, तुम्हारा हो गया लिख के?
Ma'am, I can go for a break. I can go for a break.
Both of you, those who ever have finished, go take your breaks and come back for the next lecture.
I finished.